on the basis of Coulomb's law, we can define the unit charge or 1 coulomb charge as. We know that the Coulomb's law is given by F is equal to 9 into 10 to power 9 Q1 Q2 upon R square. In this equation, if Q1 Q2 is equal to 1 coulomb and R is equal to 1 meter, then F is equal to 9 into 10 to power 9 Newton. Therefore, if we have two similar charge kept at a distance 1 meter apart and repulsion force acting between them is 9 into 10 to power 9 Newton, then each charge is said to be unit charge. Now, what's the effect of dielectric medium on the Coulomb force? We know that the force acting between two charges kept in air is given by Fa, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. If they are placed in a medium whose dielectric constant is K, then Fm, this is the force acting between medium, this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught K Q1 Q2 upon R square. If we divide equation first by equation second, then we get Fa upon Fm, this is equal to K. Therefore, the force acting between two charges kept in air to that of the medium is called the dielectric constant of medium. Now, dielectric constant is unitless quantity because it is the ratio of two similar quantity. It is the ratio of force to force, Newton to Newton. Therefore, it is unitless quantity. Unitless quantity who is dielectric constant, and let the force acting between two charges kept in air is 100 Newton. If they are placed in a medium of dielectric constant K, then force acting the charges is 50 Newton. Then what is the value of dielectric constant? So we can easily calculate this by the formula K is equal to Fa upon Fm. Fa 100 Newton and Fm is 50 Newton. Therefore, dielectric constant of the medium is 2.